Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump right into this very quick haul, a holiday haul as I like to call it. We're going to start here because I won't keep you long. I ordered these super cute birds, Christmas birds with the crown from Allstate Floral. They came in a pack of 3. I ordered 3 packs, and in each pack you have 3. So this is one of the ornaments that will be going on my tree this year. Okay. And I'm going to show you in case, I'll try to link it in my description box where, but I'm going to give you a shot of the name here. Okay, but I will try to do my best to link them in my description box if you're interested in purchasing them. Next, I went to the at-home store and found the beads I was looking for. Okay, the at-home store, $5.99. The one thing I did not like about them was this simple little fix here. That, I'm sorry y'all, it's late. The ends of the beading does not have a tassel. However, that's an easy fix because I do have on hand nylon crochet thread. And I'm going to create tassels to attach to the end of them with this. And if I'm stumbling a little bit, guys, I just took medication and I'm trying to get through this haul without it being so apparent. I should have did it before I took my meds. So I do apologize for that. I'm going to try to get through this quickly as I possibly can. Here, I went by Big Lots and picked up a couple spools of ribbon. This one in particular, very pretty. It is more of a khaki with gold embellishments. I picked up the red and gold. Very pretty. I also picked up the blue and gold. And the reason being, if you keep coming back to check out what's happening here at the house, you will find out why I have the blue and gold ribbon. There's the ribbon. Here's a new buddy. I try to collect at least 3 deer each season. So he's new to the crew. Right along with these poinsettia flowers from Hobby Lobby. Do you see a theme coming together? I do. I also picked up a red velvet ribbon and the lace red ribbon. All of these were from Big Lots. Moving on is all kind of random, you guys. My throat's going out, sorry. At Walmart, I picked up 2 just simple white napkins, the smaller white napkins, because all of my white napkins are large lap napkins. And I needed a set that were smaller. So I picked these 2 up. Also at home, I picked up, I think, 3 boxes of the ornament hooks made like this with the bling. Okay. And I believe this was, yes, this was Walmart here. I picked up another fabric tablecloth. And it's really pretty. It's a cream color with the snowflake indentions. And you know all of this stuff that I'm showing you here is for my holiday home tour revamp. Yes, I said that. Try to say it again really fast. Oh, here I picked these up from Burlington's. These are utensil holders, if that's what you want to use them for, or they can be ornaments on a tree. But I'm going to use them for something different. So you have to stay tuned to see what's going to happen with those. It's going to be fun. Oh, here, I'll just go this way since it's not that much on this side. I also picked up 4 of these beautiful velvet placemats. And these were from Hobby Lobby. Yes, Hobby Lobby by Robert Stanley. I think Robert Stanley owns Hobby Lobby. If anyone else thinks that, leave a comment down below. He either owns it or has a very, very, very well stacked stock in there. But back to this. I picked up 4 of these. I should have picked up 6, but I have another plan to offset that by not having all 6 of them. We're gonna come right around here now. Oh, I want to show you this. A thrifted find. Look at my wood sleigh that I am going to revamp as part of my holiday series. And I only paid $5.99 for it. It's in good condition. Please to come back to check out to see what I'm gonna do to this. You're gonna love it. Come around here. I picked up 6 more thrifted glassware with the gold trim. I also purchased from Hobby Lobby 4 of the Cranberry wine goblets that will coincide with my Z Gallery. No, that was Pier 1 wine glasses that I have hanging there. And along with the other 2 Pier 1 glasses I have in the cabinet. I need another cabinet, ladies, because I have so much glassware that I am running out of room. And that includes the cabinets in the kitchen. Back to the haul. I picked up these 2 beauties from Walmart. And I've seen them several times, and I decided, I don't want to pay that for that. And this, that, and the third. And when I saw them the other day, something just said, get the glasses, get the hurricanes, get the vases. You know you want them. So they ended up in my bag. Here, I bought another set of chargers. Don't judge me. But these, I had been looking for these chargers. They are absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is the epitome of traditional, modern, glam, holiday table setting style. It is absolutely beautiful. I love the plaid. And I have an absolutely gorgeous tablescape coming up with these in mind. That is beautiful. I only got my hands on it. I also purchased a set of the Melamine Let It Snow plates. And I'm trying to remember where I got these from. I believe I purchased these from, yes, the At Home store, $4.99. The Luxe Party 7.5 salad plates. Very pretty. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. I took a trip to Tuesday morning and happened upon these beauties in the clearance section. They are absolutely gorgeous. On the clearance for $2.99. Cook's Essentials. And they're very weighty. So that tells you right there they are good quality. And I purchased 4 of them. Now over to the piece of resistance. My buddy. Here, I'm going to turn this way so you can see him. Meet Sam. Say hi, Sam. Sam is the newest member of the house. Very large, very impressive. Gold leaf. Sam. Sam's gonna be with us for a while, aren't you, boy? If I can stop you from shedding, I'm gonna have to spray him down with some polyurethane or something to keep him from shedding. But this is Sam. I gave up trying to get my hands on the Z Gallery one, so Sam will do just fine. Also, from Hobby Lobby, I purchased 2 smaller acrylic deers with the silver antlers. One sitting and one standing. Absolutely beautiful. They will match perfectly with the rest of the girls and guys in the closet. And here, also from Big Lots, that's where Sam came from. We rescued Sam from Big Lots. And he was also happy. The smaller one here, Big Lots. Love, love, love the detailing on him. $16. Not bad. And he's pretty weighty. Now for Big Brother over here, always has his head cocked back like he knows everything. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This was also a purchase from Big Lots, and we paid $20 for Big Brother. Still not bad at all. And then little buddy, right here, I purchased him from At Home. Now he was 19, but because he has a blemish, they gave it to me for 10. And I'm going to scan And if you can think of what the blemish, or you see what the blemish is, let me know down in the comments why his little blemish caused me to have $10 off the original price. Okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of my little quick haul. Oh, I forgot to show you one more thing. Besides all the bags on the floor. These are, well, let's do this. I purchased a drop cloth from Walmart along with an 84-inch sheer panel because I have a little project coming up, and those two I'm going to use in that project. So if you're interested to see what I do with this, keep on watching. Now back to this. I purchased these snowflakes from Dollar Tree. I have 4 of them. And the reason being is because of these. Let it snow. These are wooden chargers that I purchased from Walmart, but they only had the 4. Okay. So since my Christmas table settings are normally set for 6, what I'm going to do for the captain seating is create unique place settings with these from Dollar Tree for their section of the table. If you're interested in seeing how I'm going to do that and what it's going to look like, you have to hit that notification bell so you don't miss that upload or this upload or this upload. All in general, hit the bell so you don't miss any uploads. Christmas is my time of year, and I'm going to make you guys proud, bringing you fabulous content, at least for the next 2 months, to give you inspiration and ideas for your own homes or for the homes of your loved ones. So, I'm going to go ahead and end this little small haul for you. And I just want to say one thing. Hey, buddy. Yeah, I know y'all think I'm crazy, but I'm not. I like to talk to my friends over there. I love deers and horses. But seriously, I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I want to thank you guys for just being there when you really don't have to. I see it, and I appreciate you very, very much. For those who have not decided to hit that subscribe button, keep riding by. You're going to see something that will prompt you to hit that subscribe button and come on in and put your feet up. We welcome you here at the house. You guys have a great one. Stay blessed. Stay prayed up. And I'll see you in the next video. God willing. Good night, all.